Hi students, today we are going to learn about human digestive system and its importance. Human digestive system is very complex in nature. It has got different parts to perform different functions using various digestive juices and enzymes. Human digestive system is also called as GI tract or gastrointestinal tract or digestive tract. If you observe this digestive tract, if you observe the diagram of a human digestive system, we can find that there are two different types of organs present in it. One is hollow organs and other is solid organs. It has got the two different types of organs, that is hollow organs and solid organs. So let us see now where it is present, these hollow organs. Hollow organs are present in the digestive tract, that is in the long digestive tube from mouth to anus. The hollow organs are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. Liver, pancreas, gallbladder are the solid organs. It's a very interesting thing and an amazing fact to know that a bacteria very useful for human digestion. The bacteria named, that is gut flora or microbiome, helps in human digestion. The different parts of the nervous system work together with the nerves and also with the hormones, bacteria, blood and the parts of the digestive system digest the food and the liquids we eat and drink every day. Now let's see to this the very importance of human digestive system. Food is very much needed for the body to provide energy for the cell to repair and for its growth. Now let's see the importance of food. Body needs food to grow and to be healthy and strong, to work properly, to do our everyday routine, that is to do both physical and mental work also. We need energy, so food gives us energy and we need to take a balanced diet which consists of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals and vitamins along with water or the nutrients. The nutrients are broken down into smaller parts to provide energy for the body. So, this energy is used for our various purposes of our work that we do every day. Hence, we need a very balanced diet which consists of all the nutrients. The nutrients are broken down to provide energy for growth and cell repair. So, proteins are broken down into amino acids. Fats are broken down into fatty acids and glycerol. And finally, carbohydrates are broken down into simple sugars. Hence, we can say that human digestive system is complex in nature.